Greetings everyone, you're welcome back to Blessings Kitchen, and today we are making very special zobo, fruity zobo drink. Fruity zobo drink. We are going to add so many fruits in the zobo. Guys, you're going to love this. You need to try this out, making your zobo with lots of fruits, just like natural wine. Our ingredients for today is zobo leaves, also known as hibiscus leaves. We have pineapple, we have watermelon and banana, we have orange, we have clove seeds. Clove seed is a must in zobo juice because the health benefit is wow. We have ginger and we have honey for sweetener. You don't need to add sugar to this zobo because you're already using fruits. We will start by washing the zobo very thoroughly. Let's wash the zobo leaves very thoroughly. Make sure you wash like 3 to 4 times. Let's keep the washed zobo leaves aside. Time to wash the fruits. Let's begin by washing the pineapple. Time to peel the back of the pineapples. Remember, we are not going to throw away the peels. We are going to add it later to the zobo. Slice your ginger. And for the clove seed, I just need to grind it a little before adding into the pots. Guys, time to add our washed zobo leaves into the pots. Add your pineapple peel, add the ginger, and add the clove seed. Today I am adding 2 jugs of water. Add 2 jugs of water into the pot. Put it on fire and boil. As our zobo is boiling, let's blend our fruits together. I have sliced the pineapple, the apple, watermelon, squeeze the orange juice because we are using this orange juice to blend it. We don't need to add water into the fruits while blending. The orange juice serves as water. Now our blended juice is ready. Let's check on our zobo. Now the zobo is boiled. We transfer into a filter and filter it, the first one. Now the zobo is ready. Time to add the blended juice into the zobo. This is why I call it fruity zobo drink. This is not just zobo drink, but fruity one. As you can see, we added the blended fruit into the zobo. Time to filter it for the last time. After filtering it, guys, allow to cool down and add your sweetener, which is honey. I'm using honey as sweetener. And guys, our fruity healthy zobo drink is ready. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Please, you're going to learn a lot here. Make this zobo drink for your family. Make it for your kids instead of buying sachet juice every day. This is so healthy. Please subscribe and click on the notification bell to enable you get notified whenever we make a post. Bye.